Abuja, get ready for a groundbreaking celebration. It's a grand reception in honor of distinguished Senator GODSWILL AKPABIO, GCON, President of the 10th Senate, His Excellency Pastor Moino, PhD, Executive Governor of Akwa Ibom State, National Assembly members, and Akwa Ibom State federal government appointees. The unveiling of the IBOM Bowl project and inauguration of the 16th Executive Council of Akwa Ibom Community, Abuja. Date is Wednesday, December 10th, 2025. Venue is the Akwa Ibom Community Ground, Sector Center A, JAHI District, Abuja. And the time is 12 noon prompt. This historic event will witness the convergence of distinguished political leaders, captains of industries, and eminent appointees of Akwa Ibom State extraction. Join Akwa Ibom indigents across FCT and the 19 northern states as we celebrate leadership, development, and the Arise agenda of Governor Moino's administration. It's more than an event. It's a dawn of an iconic legacy in the heart of Abuja. Be part of history. Be part of IBOM Bowl, our heritage, our identity, our home in the Federal Capital Territory. Akwa Ibom Community, Abuja. One voice, one people, one destiny.